Hello, and welcome to the Web Dealer Systems Training Series, brought to you by the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles. This series is designed to help dealers better understand and use the Web Dealer systems to process plate assignments, title and registration transactions, and manage plate inventory efficiently and in compliance with Texas requirements. In today's video, we'll go over how to print internet down receipts so that you are prepared for an internet or system outage. By the end of this training, you'll have a clear understanding of how to complete this process accurately and confidently. Let's go ahead and get started. In the event of an internet outage, you can still issue the appropriate plates for the transaction in question and will also issue an internet down receipt to the buyer. You can print your internet down receipts by navigating to the internet down receipt section under the plates menu. After clicking internet down receipt, you'll be taken to a screen showing your dealer information and the number of available receipts. Enter the quantity of receipts you need to print in the required field, then click Next. As always, we recommend to print out all available internet down receipts. On the next screen, you'll have two options: cancel the request or continue by selecting Print Receipts. Let's click the print option here so you can see what they look like. There are going to be two copies per receipt. The first is the dealer's copy, which should be kept by the dealer for your records. The second receipt is the buyer's copy. The buyer must keep this copy in the vehicle until registration is complete and permanent. Plates and/or a registration sticker are issued and attached to the vehicle or plate. So to circle back, if your internet goes down and you have a customer that needs to be able to drive off your lot at the time of sale, you will affix the general issue plates to that vehicle, provide the customer with the filled out internet down receipt, and once the internet comes back up, you will assign the plate in ePlate. So let's go ahead and show you what that looks like. Once ePlate access is restored or your internet connection is back online, you'll need to assign the plate associated with the internet down receipt. To do this, go to the Plates tab and select Plate Assignment under the Internet Down Receipt section. Like we have seen on the plate assignment screen before, you will enter the VIN and now the Internet Down receipt number, then click Search. Once the vehicle is located, review and confirm the vehicle details and complete all required fields on the screen. After verifying all information, click Next. In the next step, you'll enter the purchaser's information. Be sure to complete all required fields and always double check for accuracy before selecting Next. Next, you'll enter lien holder information if needed. As mentioned earlier, you have the option to search for a certified lien holder by number or manually enter a local lien holder. If there is no lien holder, or after the information has been entered, click Next to continue. Like before, the next step is to enter the sale date and indicate whether the vehicle is being exported. If the vehicle is being exported, make sure to select Yes. If the vehicle is not being exported, select No to display the additional sales fields that must be completed. In the additional sales information section, once you've indicated that the vehicle is not being exported, you'll be presented with more required fields. Make the appropriate selections and type in the plate number provided to the customer or select the correct plate number from the inventory drop-down menu. You will then select Next to move on. This is your chance to review and confirm all information. If anything is incorrect, click the edit icon next to the section to make changes. Once everything is accurate, Scroll down and click Save to complete the plate assignment. This action officially completes the license plate assignment process. After you save, a confirmation screen will appear showing the plate was assigned successfully. A receipt can then be printed for you and your customer's records if needed. Otherwise, that concludes the assignment. That concludes this segment of the Web Dealer Systems training series. We hope you found this information helpful as you continue to use ePlate and the other web dealer systems. For additional training videos and resources, please visit our website at www.txdmv.gov. And don't forget to check out our YouTube page for more web dealer systems training videos. Thank you for watching and for your continued partnership with the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles.